In today's video, I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow to successfully find your MetaQuest pin. If you have forgotten the pin of your MetaQuest account, then in this video, let me show you how you can easily find it. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in. Open up your MetaQuest app and make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in and open up your MetaQuest app, tap on the menu on the bottom right. From this menu, you need to head over to the settings option. So just tap on the settings and you can see all of the settings that you can manage for your MetaQuest. You need to head over to the account section to find your MetaQuest pin. Now there's no direct option of finding or where the MetaQuest pin is displayed on your account. If you have forgotten your pin, you need to reset and create a new pin for yourself. So to do that, tap on the reset MetaQuest pin, which is the last option. Once you do, it's going to take you to a section where you can change in the current pin that you have. So if you know the current pin that you have, you can just tap on your current pin and add in the new pin that you want. But in case you don't remember the current pin, you can tap on the forgotten pin option and tap on request pin reset. Now a password reset link or a pin reset link will be sent to the email address that is linked with your MetaQuest. So open up your email. Once you open up your email, you just need to tap on this link that has been sent. Now all you need to do is type in the new pin that you want to add in. Make sure that these pins match on both of these sections and you just need to tap on save. And your pin of MetaQuest will be successfully reset or changed. Now you can use the new MetaQuest pin that you've created. So that's the step-by-step process of finding your MetaQuest pin. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.